Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 useful Swahili sentences. What are you doing? Unafanya nini? Let's break it down. U is the subject prefix for you. Na is the present tense marker. Fanya means do. And then nini means what. So literally, Swahili says, you are doing what? Now repeat after me. Unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Good job. So what are you doing? Sentence 2. I am doing the dishes. Ninaosha vyombo. Let's see how it's built. So ni means I. Na shows the action is happening right now, so the present tense marker. Osha means wash. And then vyombo means dishes or utensils. So ninaosha vyombo simply means I am washing the dishes. So repeat after me. Ninaosha vyombo. One last time. Ninaosha vyombo. Good job. I am tired. Nimechoka. This one is very common. Notice we didn't say ninachoka here. Instead, we said nimechoka. The me tells us you've already become tired. So repeat after me. Nimechoka. Nimechoka. Good job. Another sentence. Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? So let's break that down. U is the subject prefix for you. Na, the present tense marker. Enda, go. And then wapi, where. So literally, it means you are going where. Alright? So repeat after me. Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Good job. I am going home. Ninaenda nyumbani. Now let's break this down. So ni is the subject prefix for I. Na is the present tense marker. Enda is go. And then nyumbani is home. So ninaenda nyumbani simply means I am going home. Now repeat after me. Ninaenda nyumbani. Ninaenda nyumbani. Good job. Welcome to my home. Now suppose your friend arrives, you can say, Karibu nyumbani kwangu. Let's break that down. Karibu means welcome. Nyumbani means home. Kwangu means my place or my home. Together we have Karibu nyumbani kwangu. So repeat after me. Karibu nyumbani kwangu. Karibu nyumbani kwangu. Awesome. Another sentence. Do you understand English? Unaelewa Kiingereza? So let's break that down. U is the subject prefix for you. Na, present tense marker. Elewa means understand. And then the word Kiingereza means English. So to ask, do you understand English? You'd say, Unaelewa Kiingereza? So repeat after me. Unaelewa Kiingereza? Unaelewa Kiingereza? Awesome. Now, if they do understand English, they might say, Ndiyo ninaelewa Kiingereza. That simply means, yes, I understand English. Now let's break that down. Ndiyo is yes. Ninaelewa. So ni is the subject prefix for I, na is the present tense marker, and elewa is understand. So ninaelewa Kiingereza. Now repeat after me. Ndiyo, ninaelewa Kiingereza. Ndiyo, ninaelewa Kiingereza. Fantastic. Another sentence. Please repeat. So sometimes you don't understand what someone is saying. You can politely ask them to repeat what they're saying. So please repeat, you'd say, tafadhali rudia. Now, tafadhali means please, rudia means repeat. So together, tafadhali rudia. So repeat after me. Tafadhali rudia. Tafadhali rudia. Good job. So don't be afraid to use this sentence when learning Swahili. Native speakers are usually happy to repeat themselves. The next sentence. Please speak slowly. This one is another very useful sentence. Now to say this in Swahili, you'd say, ongea pole pole tafadhali. Now let's break that down. Ongea means speak. Pole pole means slowly. And then tafadhali is please. So ongea pole pole tafadhali. Now repeat after me. Ongea pole pole tafadhali. One more time. Ongea pole pole tafadhali. Good job. Now those are the sentences we'll be covering today, and now let's see how many you can remember. I'll say the English sentence and then you can try to say it in Swahili before I tell you or reveal the answer. What are you doing? Unafanya nini? Good job. Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? Awesome. Please repeat. Tafadhali rudia. Good job. Speak slowly, please. Ongea pole pole tafadhali. Fantastic. Now I have a simple challenge for you. In the comment section, write your answer to this question, please. Unafanya nini? Try answering it in Swahili. For example, ninasoma Kiswahili. I am studying Swahili. Or ninakunywa chai. I am drinking tea. So I'll be reading your comments and replying to them. Now, if you've enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's learning Swahili. As usual, asante sana for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Kwaheri, bye bye.